Ka Menteri Sorkar Jala ka Dr Ampareen ningdo haka Sautrik nailur kala ai ka Iaroh halor ka hukum balapan mi da ka Iingkashari Meghalaya High Court ka balapan kesanya ka na ki jingkeno le bamhong haka thungkam assistant teacher jongki school lower primary haka mukotduma ka balaya la khatnyos na menta. Ka Dr Ampareen ka badai ka Menteri Barim ka tanat puli puthi haringkat arngut ki opsar kala syak keno don kti haka bapan kelai ki score sheet ban nyarap iki kattu kat niki kertong haka jingjiet iki assistant teacher haki school government lower primary. Haba ai jingkren syakilat patai kubor hadian balapan mi yakate ka hukum da ka Iingkashari ka Dr Ampareen kalapan pau ka jingsngo light loy baka jingsngo ngo da ka baong ngala syak tak jorshibun mentala khatnyos nem kenti. Mentang akan mau ya imei bala klat no nga ong ya imei ba klem le Henry kala syapan bor klem sange om dan syuk hang ni banyalek keman na kabenta kani kasingi ka bakra. Ngakan mau ya uhemmen bala klat no uba RJ lingdo uba wat hapdeng kini ki AKA uju ong ya nga bala da pimshim na le pidai banyai beteng ban syakri ya upait ba. Kala ai kublai ru iki bahyeng hasam kinong kershan berkenhun kinong ya saat an kentop ya senior advocate Salman Kurshin kibala yeng hasenda jongka habaro kini ki jing kiba ka ya kendo. Kani ka hukum bala penmi menta ka sngi ka pen scam ya kanong rim jong ni. Ka kerteng jong uba Peter Garnet Marbanyang kamshim la syak penjap buram. Ngidei ka longyeng ka babat ya ka jing le hong bat ban ai ka jing syakri kat ka bala na ka benta upat ba ka jela ong ka Dr Ampareen. Nalor kata kalapan pau ru ka jing sngungu ya ka jing trekam jong ki Iingkashari da ka baong kani ka ri kanya beteng banya khunbait na ka benta ka hok bat kani ka dei ka hok ka banga yuap menta ka sngi. Ka menteri kal ai kublai ru ikinong kershan jongka namar ka jingnet haka bat banjiet biang ya ka kum ka MLA wat hapadeng ki jing keno. Kalau ong ru bakan sa duwailam na ka benta kitu ki bakeno bamdei persya ya ka bat ong ublay un ai hangai ka jing ai ban map iway pa iway na pi.
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
This is an important press conference for me personally. A lot of water under the bridge. I have suffered so much for 17 long years. I never retaliated. I never rebutted. I distanced myself from the courts only for the hundreds of hearings that I have had to attend, humiliating myself and feeling so disturbed. Today I remember my late mother. Mom must be happy. I told Mom I didn't do it. But she was constantly pressured. She's no longer here to enjoy this beautiful day. I remember my late brother Ba'arji, who despite everything always told me that if you have not done it, you will continue in your service to the people. I'm grateful to my family, Jade, Rizal, particularly, who have been there for the last 17 years, believing in me and knowing that never at any point did I misuse my office to favor or otherwise anyone in my discharge of duty as minister. Grateful to my husband, Panton Joseph. Panton, today we are free from this huge pain that we silently discussed in the privacy of our bedroom. I have always told you, Panton, that I didn't do no harm. And today I'm validated. Thank you, Kaira, who sometimes went with me to court, sat with me in those horrible experiences, but always there. Thank you. I'm thankful to my sisters, my family, without naming each and every one of you. Thank you, Jasmine, Sharon, particularly who have been with me through thick and thin, facing the same humiliation that I faced. Today's verdict validates our stand. The name of Peter Garnet Marbanyang is not in any way compromised. We are a family that upholds justice and that will serve the people of the state to the best of our capacities. I'm very grateful to my supporters, how much they had to take, the pain they had to take through every election. Whenever anybody called me Syllad, white ink, I used to tell them, it's okay. Supporters, wherever you are, whether you're here or anywhere, thank you for believing in me and thank you for voting for me back to this office till the day I get this judgment. I'm very, very grateful to all those that have accused me so wrongly. I will pray that God will grant me the grace to forgive each and every one of you. How you, without any clue, continue to put white ink on my name. That is why I am grateful to the judiciary system in the country. This country, this nation, who will always fight for justice, and this is the justice I get today. Thankful to Sanchita. Time and again she would travel across from all parts of India to be here on time for my hearings. Thank you, Sir Salman Khurshid. You handheld me, you believed in me, and you fought for me in the court. And you, today, sir, are a part of this historical moment of 17 years of pain. The pain I felt every time I opened my Facebook page, the social media, any news item on me, how people time and again put white ink on my name. Today, I wonder what's going on in their minds. And I'm thankful to God, thankful to my church, the Catholic Church, the priests who continuously prayed for my peace of mind. Peace of mind is something which is the most difficult moments that I faced in all of these years. I'm so sorry that this case took shape the way it did. So sorry for all the time that is wasted of all people who have become victims of this so-called white ink case. You heard today in the court, I was not there, but I've been briefed that there was no white ink at the very first instant in any of all of those things. I have just said that I will pray for guidance. I will pray that God gives me the strength to forgive those that have harmed us. I cannot speak more than that. We are watching the next move of anyone very closely. And I can only say at this point of time, let us bask in the truth that this nation gives citizens a chance to talk about.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.